Hi everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. You remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, going to take a look at a really nice 1969 Pontiac GTO. It is a real 242 GTO, highly documented car. We actually took the car in on trade from a gentleman out of Colorado. I would describe this car, man, this is just a good, honest car, guys. Older restoration, very original, a ton of paperwork and history with it, which I know people are gonna like. Factory Mayfair Maze car, this is original color combination, black vinyl top, black interior, matching numbers, 400 car, factory air car, 400 automatic, and like I say, it seems to have all the original body panels. Again, there is a ton of documentation from the day it was new. It was sold new in California. Looks like it spent most of its time out there, Arizona. I'm trying to think of all the, there's copies of all the titles in there. Went to North Carolina at a time, which is where the gentleman that we actually got it from, where he bought it out of North Carolina. But good car, seems to really run out good. Again, I would just call this a good, honest car. This car's probably lived a pretty easy life. It looks like the car was restored in 03. At least most of the work was done in 03. There's a lot of paperwork and receipts in there for that. And it looks like, by an email I found in that paperwork, the car's got about 9,000 miles on the resto. Like I say, good car. If you're looking for a nice driver, I think you're gonna like it. You can definitely pick the car. It's got the enduro front bumper, and it does have some cracking in it, which is pretty common in these. But good car. Rest of the paint, yeah, there's some touch-up marks and stuff as you go around it, but that was a little water, sorry. I actually shot the pictures outside today. I'm shooting the videos still inside because it's actually raining. But I did get the picture shot. There was a little mist going on out there, but I got the picture shot on it outside. But again, doctor's orders here. I'm still recovering from hip surgery, so shooting the videos inside. It's still got the factory front windshield in it. Soft gray glass. You can see the vinyl top's in great shape. Trim's nice on the car. Bumper, rear bumper, they definitely replaced that. Bezels look pretty good, they're original. Car straight down the side, factory 14-inch rallies. Again, car sits good. Rallies look good. Does have front disc brakes. It's still got the, what do you call it, that's normally missing, that little rubber seal up there in the front. Front disc brakes, power steering, and air. We're gonna have to check the air. I couldn't get it to kick on. So it's probably going to need a charge because he said the air did work, so we'll check it. Pretty common. We usually have to charge them. But again, matching numbers, 400 cubic inch engine, 350 horse, 4-barrel stock intake and exhaust manifolds, factory air cleaner and valve covers, 400 turbohydramatic trans. Again, I apologize, that's just little drips if you're seeing it was kind of just misting, just enough to make a mess out there. New chrome here. There's a box of parts that go with the car too. I think there's a new radio in the trunks. It's got the factory AM radio on it. We couldn't get it to come on. You can see the door seams are clean. The door rubbers are nice. They definitely had to replace this interior. It's too nice. Notice there's a little mark there on your armrest, but that interior is really nice. New sill plates. Definitely newer carpet. I saw the little, I don't know if you're gonna be able to see it so dark, that little plastic piece in the corner, I saw a crack in it, but other than that, man, the interior is really nice. Factory bucket seats, got the wood grain center console and dash. Look how nice the factory steering wheel is. Again, I know it's dark, so I hate shooting these things inside. I think it's showing like 13 or 14,000 on the odometer. Factory radio, blower motor kicked on and everything. Dash pad looks really good. Flowmaster dual exhaust, so it's got good sound. Factory 10-bolt rear axle. Again, you know, this is what I would tell. These are the cars that guys really seem to have fun with. They're, you know, you can nitpick them a little bit, but man, they're fun to drive. You're not worried about driving them. They're just a good, honest car. It's all spackle coated in the trunk. Like I say, it looks like it should have. It looks like it's got all the original panels on it. Like I say, he gave us a bunch of parts. That looks like a newer radio, I think. And again, loaded with paperwork. This is receipts. This is like a title history on it. Original Protecto plate owner's manuals. Original window sticker. Inspection sheet. There's the PHS. Like I say, there's photos of the car apart. Yeah, it's highly documented car. Everything opens and closes nice. I can't get down yet and show you the bottom, but as always, always take pictures and post them. Can't kneel down that like that with a knee. I probably could, but it just take me too long to get up with a camera in my hand. Again, clean in the doors here. Seats are really nice. They've definitely been out of the car, repadded, refoamed. Good car. Good sound. Not really much for gauges in there. Like see, the fuel gauge works. Everything else is on lights. Sorry, don't stop. Backup lights work. Okay, car's got real good sound. I couldn't get the radio in there to work. The blower motor definitely works. Like I said, we're gonna have to check on probably charge the AC. Wipers are functional. The hidden headlights work. Looks like it. Heck, it's got all T3 headlights. Sure does, yep. Yeah, we might have a turn signal on this side. Again, guys, make sure you keep track of our inventory. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Instagram and our Facebook page. Definitely subscribe to our YouTube page, guys. You can do that by clicking the little button here at the bottom. That way you get a notification every time I post a new video. Have a great day, guys.